Learn Persian, Farsi, I would like, equals.
میخواستم.
Polite requests made easy. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to sound charming in Persian? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your magic phrase is, I would like, equals.
میخواستم.
Think of it as a soft doorbell for your requests, super.
مؤدبانه.
Your goal today. By the end, you'll order drinks, tickets, and rooms, politely and confidently. Main form.
میخواستم.
I would like. Stronger form, use carefully.
میخواهم.
I want. Negative option.
نمیخواستم.
I would not like. Keyword bank.
لطفاً.
Please.
چای.
Tea.
قهوه.
Coffee.
لیت.
Ticket.
سفارش دادن.
To order.
خواستن.
To want. Mini dialogue, at the cafe. Imagine you at a cozy cafe, smell the fresh beans and be your most polite self. You say, I would like a coffee, please.
میخواستم. یک قهوه لطفاً.
Barista, great choice. Then asks, tea or coffee? You reply, tea, please.
چای لطفاً.
Pro move. Add the verb, to order, in context. I would like, to order now.
میخواستم. الان سفارش بدهم.
Form and function, fun, not boring. You'll hear it, say it, and own it, quick patterns coming up. Base polite.
میخواستم.
Past stem of.
خواستن.
To soften. Compare strength, polite.
میخواستم.
Versus direct.
میخواهم.
Chain it. Base, negative, question.
میخواستم.
Pipe.
نمیخواستم.
Pipe.
میخواستم.
Travel gem. I would like a ticket to Shiraz, please.
میخواستم. یک بلیت به شیراز لطفاً.
Drill time. Repeat after me. Say it out loud. Your mouth learns faster than your memory. 1. I would like tea, please.
میخواستم. یک چای لطفاً.
2. I would like a ticket, please.
میخواستم. یک بلیت لطفاً.
3. I would like a room with a view.
میخواستم. یک اتاق با منظره.
4. Strong. For contrast, I want tea.
میخواهم. چای.
Notice it feels less.
مؤدبانه.
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. The politeness upgrade. Here's the trick Persians love. Past tense for present politeness. Using the past continuous style.
میخواستم.
Makes your request sound warm and respectful. Always sprinkle in.
لطفاً.
And a friendly tone. Tiny nod, open palm, request gesture. Fun mnemonic. To ask him nicely, say.
میخواستم.
Sounds like, me, I asked him. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. No one is judging except your houseplants. Q1. Which Persian phrase means, I would like? A.
میخواستم.
Q2. True or false?
میخواستم.
Is more polite than.
میخواهم.
A. True. Q3. Say, I would like, to order now. A.
میخواستم. الان سفارش بدهم.
Challenge. Real life requests. Ready for the wild? You've got this. Scenario A. Train station. Say, I would like a ticket to Shiraz, please.
میخواستم. یک بلیت به شیراز لطفاً.
Scenario B. Hotel. Say, I would like A room with a view.
میخواستم. یک اتاق با منظره.
Scenario C, cafe. Start with the polite phrase, then add your drink, e.g., tea.
میخواستم. یک چای لطفاً.
Wrap up and goodbye. You were awesome. Your requests now ring like a polite doorbell. Remember, polite equals
میخواستم.
direct equals.
میخواهم.
Don't forget.
لطفاً.
Thanks for listening. Practice these lines today and watch smiles appear. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and downloads. See you next time.